Nothing just appears. Not ideas, not words, not even feelings. Everything has a past, something behind it, something before it. And when something grows out of that hidden beginning, English uses one precise word: derive. Derive means to get, take, or develop something from a source. It tells us that something is not fully original, but is produced, shaped, or formed from something else. It carries the idea of connection, of something coming out of a deeper origin. Its pronunciation, derive, is pronounced as derive. You can say it like derive. The stress falls strongly on rive, so your voice should rise slightly on that part. The grammatical nature, derive is a verb. It describes an action, the action of taking, receiving, or developing something from a source. The most common structure is derive something from something. This structure clearly shows two parts: the result and the source. We use derive when we want to clearly express where something comes from, what its origin is, how it has developed. It directly answers the question, what is the source of something? For example, the word teacher is derived from the word teach. Here we are looking at the structure of the language. The word teach is the base. From it, the word teacher is formed. So teacher does not exist independently. It is built from teach. In this case, derive helps us explain how one word comes from another word. The second example, she derives happiness from helping others. Now we move from language to emotion. Her happiness is not random. It has a source. That source is helping other people. So the action, helping others, produces the feeling happiness. Here, derive shows the origin of a feeling, where that feeling comes from. In short, derive means to get from a source. Whenever you use this word, think in two parts. What is the source? What is the result? This simple thinking makes the meaning very clear. Derive may look like a simple word, but it carries a powerful idea. It allows you to explain connections between words, ideas, and even feelings. It helps you move beyond simple statements and speak with clarity and precision. And that is what makes your English sound more thoughtful, more academic, and more complete.